Greetings friends, today we are here to learn how we can deploy our Django app on this amazing deployment platform called Zeet. As you know, we have tried out a lot of deployment options in the past, but this by far is a process that I think will be perfect for a beginner. So let's see what we are here to do today. I have created this simple Django app which simply renders the following template: index.html that has this simple Zeet Django line. So to do this, I will simply open the browser and enter the following link: zeet.co/r/cypher. After that, what we need to do is log into our GitHub account since we want to deploy a repository. Here I have already signed in, so I don't need to do that, but you have to do the necessary process. From here, we will add a new project and then choose a GitHub repository. After that, we will choose an appropriate repository. In my case, that is Zeet Django, and then continue with it. Since I have only the main branch in the repository and the system has already found out that we are using Python language, I'll simply go on and deploy the project. We all know that we need to use the following command: python manage.py run server to run the application on our local machine. However, to deploy it on a server, we also need to add the following command. The system will automatically start to build the project. This may take from a few seconds to a few minutes depending upon the speed. So let's skip ahead a few seconds. Once the build is successful, we will see this following message. After that happens, we also need to perform a necessary step, which is to add the port that we specified earlier into the networking settings and then save them. Once we do that, the deployment process will restart on its own and we will see that the project has started to deploy. So let's skip ahead a few more seconds, and here the project is successfully deployed. However, I must add that right now the website won't be working as expected. I have done this on purpose to show you a great feature of Zeet. As I said, I had just created that app and added a simple rendering functionality here. I, however, did not touch the debug and allowed host section of the settings.py file. So I will set debug to false, and in the allowed host I'll allow all hosts to run this website. Once that is done, I will push the repository into the main repository on the GitHub. I will be using GitHub desktop for this, but you can use a CLI according to your preference. Once this is complete, I'll go back to the Zeet dashboard and we will see that Zeet has automatically detected that we have made a commit onto our GitHub repository and will automatically start to rebuild the project. So let's skip ahead a few seconds and see what the result is. So we can see that our project has been successfully deployed. After that, we will refresh the page and see that the build was successful and our app has finally started to work as it is intended to. Zeet is a very powerful tool and is a boon for novice developers who has just entered the world of development. It also provides us many powerful capabilities, so feel free to tweak around the settings. Just a reminder, if you use the following URL, that is zeet.co/r/cypher, you will be automatically be helping the channel and it won't be of any additional cost to you. So I request you to do the necessary. With that, I'll end today's lecture. Thank you.